please make a part 2? Okay, asking people to make their own sound effects in Gorilla Tag. Purple, what sound does a rope make in Gorilla Tag? Okay, thank you. Can you tell me what sound it makes when you tag somebody in Gorilla Tag?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and Jesus loves you.